Alright guys, the rainbow with the landmine is a core and arm exercise, or shoulder exercise. This one is a little bit more important to have the end of the bar stationary. So you can do what I did, which was put the end of the bar into the middle of a plate, or a lot of places will have a place where you can just push it up into a corner. Either way works, as long as it's not moving all around. So feet are level with each other. You're going to take it down to the outside. There's two ways you can do this. To make it more challenging and to use your arms more, you can keep your hips locked in and just use your arms. Up and over. That's a little bit more tricky. If you want to increase the weight a little bit and use your hips a little bit more, you can pivot your feet, turn your hips towards your hands, and then turn as you rotate. You're still going to be using your core. This time you're getting the hips involved a little bit.